This interactive AI avatar with Bithuman and LiveKit allows us to not only talk to lifelike human avatars, but all kinds of non-human avatars too, making it pretty good for cartoon characters or something like a company mascot. I'll provide links to the code, show you how I set it up, and do a live demo talking to a few of their ready-made models. The avatar company is Bithuman. We're on their website right here, and they specialize in interactive visual agents. You can create your own or use theirs. So let's just scroll through. Pretty nice website. They just kind of take us on that intro journey of what they're all about. You can see that they kind of separate themselves from other avatar providers by having these kind of like cartoonish characters as well that you can integrate with. So there's some pretty cool use cases you can probably just imagine, but they have all the regular ones too, like a customer support, things like that. We'll actually be talking to this one right here as well as a couple others. Yeah, so they have a pretty good website, and I'm not sure how new they are, but they seem fairly new, at least to me. And I like their footer here. I see this trend a lot of having the name big at the bottom, and I might start doing that myself. But all right, anyways, let's jump into their console. So I'm on my plan here, and I'm on the free plan. And you start with 100 credits, and you get 100 credits every month for free on the free plan. And this is what you get. However, right here I noticed it has, you don't get API access, but I don't know if they're going to change this later, but I'm able to use it with the free plan, so we'll see. Yeah, all right, so let's go into these are their featured agents, and you can just see kind of the different avatars you can make yourself or use. Pretty cool, pretty different. And then here we have the community creations, and you can see what others have created. And I believe, yeah, you can talk to these just on their website if you'd like. But yeah, pretty cool. So they have a quick start documentation, and I recommend going through it yourself, as well as so here's some demo models, and so we have Einstein, a companion, and a dog, and so I downloaded each of these, and it's about half a gig, 500 megabytes per each one. And it took me about 5 minutes to download each one. But I downloaded each of these, and we'll talk to all three of them. And then LiveKit also has a guide too on how to go through this. And I pretty much follow this, but more so in their GitHub repo. So now we're getting into what I'm going to set up. And yeah, so you're going to need the Bithuman API secret, and then when you download the models, the ones that they provide, you just gotta have those in your path for when you run your avatar. So yeah, all right, let's jump into the code. So this is pulled from the LiveKit example, and I've made a few changes. I've added this config just so that it's easy for me to change the avatar, and then also the voice and things like that, and the instructions. I also added this request function, and you add that here. And I do this because you can create your own display name for when we talk to them, and I'll show you when we do that in the front end. All right, well, let's run the sucker. Okay, so we'll run the avatar. That's running, and we'll run the front end. That's going. All right, so let's jump into localhost and create a new meeting. All right, and so we're going to create a new meeting, and when I call the avatar agent, it's going to take a while to load up. I think that seems to be kind of normal for these avatars, these avatar providers. It makes sense, right? It's a little more complicated than just a voice agent. Actually, let's jump back into the code. I'm going to start off with Einstein. So we'll talk to Einstein first. Okay. Now let's call him in our front end. See, it takes a bit. Hey there.
Hello, it is a pleasure to speak with you. How may I assist you today?
Who are you? Hey, what's your name?
I am Albert Einstein, a theoretical physicist known for developing the theory of relativity. How can I help you today?
Whoa, crazy. Never thought I'd talk to you. What's the equation for theory of relativity?
The equation for the theory of relativity, specifically the special theory of relativity, is E equals mc squared. This equation expresses the equivalence.
Wow, okay. Cool. So we can talk to Einstein. All right, let's do the other ready-made model they give us, the dating coach. Okay. And let's start her up. Hello.
Hi there. How are you doing today? Ready for some dating advice?
Yeah, please. I need a girlfriend.
All right, let's work on that. First things first, it's important to be yourself and show genuine interest in the person you're interested in. What kind of activities or qualities are you looking for in a girlfriend?
What's your name?
My name is Kelsey. I'm here to help you.
Okay, cool. Thanks, Kelsey. So that was the dating coach, and now we'll do the dog, which is a really kind of a new way to do avatars for these, for talking to a non-human. So let's see how this runs. Summon dog. Hey, buddy.
Woof. Hey there. I'm here. Ready to play and chat. What can I do for you?
Hey, what was that? I think you were still loading.
Oh, I might have been a bit slow to respond, but I'm all ears now. What's up? Woof.
You definitely are all ears. What's your name?
Woof. My name is Fido. Ready for adventures and lots of fun with you. What should we do today?
Yeah, you're lagging pretty good. Must be my connection or something. Cool. See ya. All right. So yeah, that was the kind of the demo of all of that, and I'll give links to everything, to all these places I visited, and what you'll need to set this up and go in yourself. But yeah, that was the Bithuman avatar experience, and it usually doesn't lag like that from my experience. So yeah, I gotta look into that. But yeah, cool. If you have any questions or you want to talk about any of the code or voice agents, avatar agents, leave a comment or join my Discord, and we can chat it up. But yeah, cool. See ya.